Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have yet another Snapdeal haul and everything ranges from 100 to 500, so it's a super cheap haul and everything of course is amazing quality. I will be covering my favorite products from fashion and beauty and let's get into it. Starting off with one of the most comfortable tops and the best tops for this summer. ये इतनी comfortable and breathable है and इसका print and इसकी quality भी बहुत अच्छी है इसके price से and definitely a 10 on 10. ये linen pants और jeans के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है and you can definitely style it up or down according to the occasion. Next has to be the cutest top. I think this will be the top of this summer. It also comes in butter yellow color, which is also in trend right now, so you can get that. I actually got both, but in this video I'll only be covering the pink one. I think it is so cute. The frill, the fabric, everything is so nice. It is perfect for a casual outing or cafe outing, and it looks so cute with jeans, skirts, and even linen pants. And of course, price के हिसाब से ये बहुत अच्छा है. Then again, a kurti type tops. I think it is perfect for college and office, and इसका कपड़ा बहुत thin है, like not see-through thin, but actually very breathable, so perfect for summers. Also, the print is very cute, and I actually love it a lot. Then of course, I couldn't have skipped a t-shirt because t-shirts are a must in this summer. This is also very breathable. The print is very nice according to the price, and the quality is also very good. It's good if you want to casually go out or even sit at home because it's so comfortable. Then my most used bag, and also a bag that is very much in trend. I love the shape of the bag and इसके price के हिसाब से इसकी quality and इसका material इतना अच्छा है. Plus it has so much space, so it can hold a lot of your things. It is perfect for college or office because it can also hold your laptop. And even if you go on trips, you need that one bag to carry everything, and this would be perfect for that. Blushes are the most talked makeup product in the market right now, so obviously I had to include one. I got this copy of She Glam blush that went pretty viral on Instagram last year. इसका शेड इतना प्यारा है, प्लस ये बहुत नेचुरल फिनिश देता है चीक्स को, सो आई लव इट. एंड द एप्लीकेटर ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू ब्लेंड द ब्लश वेरी वेल, सो इट्स लाइक 10 on 10 of course. Next, a black top which is so breathable, and I love the frill of it and the whole design. I love the sweetheart neck as well. Plus इसमें मेरी profile picture भी है YouTube पे, so you know how much I love it. It looks super cute with jeans, linen pants, and even skirts. So perfect for casual outings or even like parties. I absolutely love it. Again, बहुत ही famous brand का blush tube. It has a very cute orangish color. Again, looks very natural on lips. It is very blendable and also buildable, so you can like wear according to your preferences. I absolutely love it, and इसके price के हिसाब से इसकी quality and इसका pigment इतना अच्छा है. My sister and I are big fans of tumblers and bottles and even sippers, so I got this sipper from Snapdeal. Again, इसके price के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा है. Plus ये glass का है, so you don't have to worry about like plastic and all that help. It also comes with a very cute glass straw plus the leather band, which makes it more convenient and easy to carry the glass bottle, and it will not slip, so you don't have to worry. It is available in multiple colors, so you can get according to your preference. लास्टली मेरे पास एक बैग है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया क्योंकि इसके प्राइस के हिसाब से इसकी क्वालिटी और इसका फैब्रिक इतना अच्छा है. इट ऑल्सो हैज़ 2 compartments विद द जिप, सो हेल्प्स यू स्टे वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज. इसमें जो गोल्ड चेन है, गोल्ड डिटेलिंग्स है, मेक्स इट लाइक वेरी एलिवेटेड लुक, तो इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर पार्टीज और इवन कैजुअल आउटिंग्स. एंड द एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस बैग इसकी जो इसकी चेन है वो एडजस्टेबल है, सो यू कैन एडजस्ट इट एज अ शोल्डर बैग और अ स्लिंग बैग, so you can wear it according to your occasion and your clothes, and I absolutely love that. It is very very comfortable and definitely my go-to bag because you can never really go wrong with a black bag and any outfit color, and it is also a very good gift if you're planning to gift to friends. And yeah, that is it for my haul. If you want to shop these products category wise, you can check out my shorts. If not, I'll also be linking down all the products in the description below. And I hope you liked the haul. If you did, go hit a like, and thanks for watching.